how this is gonna come out, but it's my first time at Woody's Diner. Woody's Diner in Orange, California. And I got a Huevos Rancheros. So we're gonna try that out. And then we're going back to the gym today, day number 3. Very rare. So we're gonna work out today at the gym. So let's try this shit out, bro. See how this is. See how this is. How is it? So, yeah, man, that's the Huevos Rancheros. Let's try it out. It's got home fries, guacamole, tomatoes, cheese. It looks like Taco Bell a little bit. And that's a Mexican breakfast. I had a friend, he got arrested for being Mexican. Don't put on the music yet because I'm going to get copyright strike on my video. It's not going to be a long video, so I don't even know how this is going to come out. Oh, this is good. Definitely, I would come back here again. It's really good. Very good. Delicioso. Okay. Back in the gym. Done with my workout, and I'm going to just got done working out, and I'm going to Chipotle. In memory of Rich Piana, I'm going to Chipotle. I'm having Chipotle. This doesn't count as a meal. I got steak and chicken burrito, extra meat. What? Oh, that's my diabetic friend. He likes to see how much sugar he can eat without dying. So I just got done working out.
Cookies and cream.
Remember, this doesn't count as a meal. Hey man, you got a light? Look at this. Led Zeppelin. Even it's a quarter pounder, man. Imagine this being, oh my god, it's like a...
For those of you who don't like
2 ounces of meat.
I don't want to say.
I'm trying to eat my food now. Hold on. Meal number 4. Remember, this doesn't count as a meal. I got an avocado tuna fish wrap. This is my 4th meal for the day. And I gotta go home and cook dinner still.
Oh, yeah.
No, I don't? I don't have to cook dinner? Really? Says who?
That's me.
Says me?
Gotta watch out, he takes that as a giant insult.
Why don't I have to cook dinner?
Make sandwiches, you can do all.
This guy's gonna jump in the car. Look at this. It's Tony and his girlfriend.